Hello, welcome to this video. I'm here to show you how to get started with Anki to practice go over the Sanskrit textbook, a Sanskrit primer. So you may go to its website to download the installer, and I also put the installers on our shared folder. So first you uninstall it. And then open it. There are plenty of well-made introductory tutorial for Anki's usage. You may check this link, or you may search for yourself on YouTube. After installation, you can import the package into Anki. So just double-click it, we'll import it. I'm showing you the Sanskrit pronunciation, which I've made according to some audio files, in which you can see its structure. So first of all, you see the, let's call it question. It's called front in Anki's turn. First, you see this, and it prompts you to, in this package, to read it aloud, and then you will check if your pronunciation is good enough. Okay, so if it's okay, you can just press a space key or just press good. So Anki will know this, and it will show you this card again according to its algorithm, based on, let's say, a forgetting curve. So it will be a most efficient way to let you memorize the point. So when you feel it's okay, you press space, and it gets to the next one. The next R. If you feel you are not okay with this, just press again. So in 10 minutes, it will show this card again to you, to ask you again for the answer. So, okay, this is how Anki works on the surface. So let's see this primer. So I made this package in a Margin Note, a software called Margin Note. It can let you choose the content and highlight the points that you want to memorize or understand better. So in this case, about this section, I hide something that would require you to recall. After you review and record the points, just press space, and it will show you the right answer. Okay, this section is from the introduction, and let's see the next one. It's still in the introduction. Okay. And you may see all the content in its browser. Well, so you can go to here or press B. Then you will see the content. When you come here, it will give you the preview. So you will recognize this is the declension for the nouns. And then for the new words, you see the English paraphrase, and then you can recall what it is in the Sanskrit. And in the later class, the word, you have a chance to recall the gender. So if you see the father, you see Janaka, which is masculine, or Rupaka is neuter. Okay, and then for the exercise, I wouldn't expect you to directly interpret or translate on here. I think it would be a good thing to just read it aloud. If you can read it fluently and understand it immediately, I think it's okay here. If you want to do more translation, I think it would be better to do it somewhere else. At first, I want to give you sentence by sentence, but it is not so easy to divide them, or I have to type them all together. So I think for the moment, you can just read it, practice your reading, and practice your understanding. And in this section, you will be you can just come to the answer and read it. Don't read it. Don't read the English first, but read the Sanskrit first and try how much you understand. And when you feel a certain card is really too easy and not worthy seeing it again, you can actually suspend it. Just to, if here, when you are here, you can select the card and choose suspend. Yeah, toggle suspend, Command J. But generally, don't do it. Let it be there, and just when you see it, you just press space, unless you feel it's really necessary. You can also set flag for some purpose if you want to be able to look for some certain card in the future. You can set them in a certain flag. If you are here, you can also suspend a card or flag a card, etc. Another thing is Anki provides there are large amount of add-on for Ankis, which give you a lot of functionalities. For example, this plugin can let you get the reading from the TTS service. You don't have to pay for it. You can choose the free TTS. I'm going to show you what I've got from that. For example, let's see. Okay, let's try this.
Fowler's proposed that Proust had tried to begin a novel in 1908, abandoned it for what was to be a long demonstration of St. Buve's blindness to the real nature. Fowler's proposed that Proust had tried to begin a novel in 1908, abandoned it for what was to be a long demonstration of St. Buve's blindness to the real nature of great writing, found the essay giving rise to personal memories and fictional developments, and allowed these to take over in a steadily developing novel.
This voice is from, I think, from Microsoft Azure, a TTS service. If you put the text in the question and let the add-on to get the reading from the TTS server, so when you open it, you can really listen to the high quality reading. The way to do it is you should go to the Anki add-on site and find the suitable add-on. For example, open it, and then you can learn the description. But find this code and come to Anki add-on, choose get add-on, and input the code. Okay, Anki will download this add-on. So now you will see it. Anki, you will see it here. Then you need to restart Anki to let the add-on work on. So when you open it again, Anki will work with this add-on, and you can use it. So let's see. So now I came into this deck and try to add some content. So in this case, I don't need any answer, but in this way, I revoked the add-on and choose let it read it out.
Anki morphs can rearrange your cards based on how well you know the words on them and how important the words are to learn. This ensures that your cards are arranged in the best order for optimal language learning.
Cool. Okay, I'll
Anki morphs can rearrange your cards based on how well you know the words on them and how important the words are to learn. This ensures that your cards are arranged in
So in this way, you put the audio in. Yeah, you can also do it in batch. For example, I could right. There's some concept I'll show you.
Anthropologists and others are on much firmer This preference for exogamy. This preference for exogamy. Gutman suggests.
To use this TTS, you need to know the structure of the card. So there's different fields in one card, and
she wished to discard the traditional methods and established vocabularies of such dance forms as ballet and to explore the internal sources of human expressiveness.
Okay, so you see on this card, actually there are different fields, word, category, blah blah blah, and then on the card, this front template is showing word, and tips, and audio. The back template is showing some other fields. So you have to specify which fields Anki is going to read. So if you want to do it in batch, you have to specify the source field. In this case, is a word. Actually, it's the sentence, but I just named that field as a word. And then the Anki will have to know in which field it will put its audio in. If you put the audio directly into the same field, probably it will overwrite the content there. So better to let it write into the audio field. So in this case, you press generate, then it will work to read these sentences and put the audio in. One more thing is to set up your workload. You can come to the DAX options and to see how many cards you will go over every day. In this case, I said 10, and it will prompt you that the cards that you review will be 10 times of the new card you learn. And here, the learning steps is just set like 10 minutes. So when you see a new card, if you choose again, it will prompt you in 10 minutes. You will see it again in 10 minutes. For the moment, you probably don't need to set up other things. Just follow the default value. Yeah, so that's basically it. If you have any question, just let me know. And I hope you enjoy with Anki.